Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI. If you're looking for a way to whiten your teeth that doesn't involve toxic chemicals and bleach, definitely check out Lumineux.
I chose these whitening strips because they whiten with natural ingredients. It doesn't use any harsh bleaching materials. It whitens with things such as lemon peel, coconut oil, sage oil, dead sea salt. That's amazing. I've whitened my teeth in the past and I found that my teeth were really sensitive after. I have not found that with these. As you can see, they're super easy to put on. I like that the strips, they're not like goopy. They don't move around when I put them on. You can see they're really easy to peel off as well. I got this set of 21 and I'm halfway through using them. I put them on for 30 minutes and then I can take them off. They're really easy to put on and take off. And I like that each strip on the back, it has really simple instructions. It's easy to use.
I would highly recommend these white strips. I am liking the outcome, and that's just my point of view.